Hi, this is Jim Hensel. I'm going to show you how to build a killing cone for chickens. This cone is 2.5 inches in diameter at the bottom and about 8.5 inches in diameter at the top, and it's 16 inches tall plus the little area up here, which is for hanging it. Maybe we'll start there. You can see that there are 4 holes in this. Get the angle right. There are 3 larger holes across here and one up here. The top one here could be used to put a screw in to attach it to the side of the barn. These lower holes, the middle one would accept the head of a 16-penny nail if you were going to just hang it up and be able to pull it back down. The outer 2 holes are in case you want to add a bungee cord to hold the chicken's feet. First I'm going to show you the pattern that I used. So here is the pattern for that cone. As you can see here, the first radius is 6 inches from an imaginary point that's here, 6 inches to here, and then it's 22 inches clear out to here. And then I struck an arc on the paper that was more or less 28 inches long. So when that was folded up, or when that was, it's 29 inches long. And then the lower one here is about 8 inches long. That's really just the 2.5 inch diameter at the bottom times pi 3.14, and it's the 8.5 or 9 inches diameter at the top times pi. And then I added, as you can see down here when I move this, you can see that there's a little extra that I added for the overlap, and you'll see that in a minute, about 1 inch. So I struck those 2 arcs and cut this piece of paper out, and then I cut it out into a piece of 20-inch galvanized flashing. It's actually a roofing valley that I bought at a big box DIY store. So this is what it looks like after it's cut out. The only features I didn't point out before is down here at the bottom and up here I've cut at about a 45-degree angle where that overlap is going to be. Next I'll show you what it looks like when it's put together. So here's the overlapping seam. You can see where down here where it was cut up, and then at the top where I cut that in, and then in this case we used a spot welder. It was purchased at but one could use a series of pop rivets, or even because it's galvanized material, you could even solder this with a soldering iron together. So then looking in the end, here's what it looks like, and at the top there's what it looks like. So that's it. Enjoy.